I'm kidding.
They're slave drivers.
I know.
Hang on, guys. Wait for us.
Wait up, wait up. Wait for the observers.
It feels warmer even than we came a little while ago. Mark?
Is it?
She's cruel.
Oh golly, find eggs, find eggs.
Look for them.
Cool, find another one.
Did you count how many you had?
20.
There's 20? Okay. You don't want to find them in July.
Yeah, 3.
How many times does that happen?
Quite a bit, actually.
Yeah, that happens.
Look around.
Oh,
Look around. Look everywhere.
I see one.
look, where?
Look everywhere. Look.
I found one.
Awesome.
Now I got 3.
You got 3.
I looked over here, but it was blended.
Oh really? Cool.
That was tricky, wasn't it? Keep looking. Look everywhere.
I found another one.
You found another one? Oh cool.
Now I have 4. How much?
Chance, 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 chance.
I don't think there's any that far over there.
Oh, I found. Oh.
Chance, right there. Oh. Okay, okay,
There's plenty. Don't
okay, okay. Good. Okay. Oh, don't throw them in there. That's okay.
All right.
That's okay.
All right, let's keep.
Oh, Vivi's got a lot of eggs. Chance has got a lot of eggs.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is there any by the fence?